of June. And I'm really happy that we can spend the next 30 minutes, round about 30 minutes, together to talk about trading, to talk about different stuff where we see a kind of relationship between trading and different other stuffs. And we have an interesting topic today, and I want to show you this very, very soon. So I hope you're doing good. You had a great night. You had a wonderful night, a relaxing night, and now you are ready to rumble for a new trading day. So first of all, you know the August stuff every morning. Most important things. Thanks to Anna to opening the show, my moderator in the back. I'm your host, by the way, Markus Gabel, but I'm not the most important guy here. You are the VIP person here. And so we stream this Zoom show on YouTube as well. So if you watch it later or maybe right now on YouTube, then you have the possibility to subscribe to the channel. There you will find a button in the right corner of your screen. So click on it so you can subscribe this channel so you will never miss an episode, whether from me or Paul and Jens, my continuous partners in this great show. And you will find a like and thumb up if you say that's a good show. We can do it. We would appreciate it a lot, guys. So, and if you have any questions, opinions, wishes, whatever it is, then you will find a commentary field below the YouTube channel, a YouTube video. So leave your comment, and as soon as I see it, I will answer you as soon as possible, guys. And don't forget, quick reminder, follow Admirals on Instagram. We have a wonderful channel there. It's Admirals Global, and you can follow the Admirals channel there too. So guys, another trading day. Let's see what we can do. And first of all, let's see, that's our topic for today. So let me see the chat. I can see it. That's really cool. Let me fix it. So Rudolf, wonderful good morning. Tina, lovely good morning. And here are the participants. That's cool. On YouTube, I can already see Barry, wonderful good morning. Don, Darom, wonderful good morning. And guys, as Anna mentioned in the chats, feel free to ask whatever is in your mind. As soon as I see it, I will answer this in this show. Okay. So our leading topic for today, that was the prediction or the preparation from yesterday about can meditating help traders? I know a lot of you are sitting at home right now unrolling with your eyes. Oh my God, what's that for a topic? I want to trade right now. So give me the next trading ideas. What is meditating? Let's talk about it. Yeah. Okay, so, but first of all, that's the rules, guys. Yeah, we follow the rules. Success is not a fantasy, it's a formula. And you know, a trend continuation out of the correction is always more likely than a trend break. And so we have to follow that rules. Why is it? If you cannot work with guarantees, you have to work with probabilities. This is what you have to do. And probability means rules. That's everything what you have to do. So, and the rules for our trading, we have 4 rules. By the way, a valid trend is needed. It should be a young trend. We should trade out of the correction, you know, buying cheap, selling expensive, and then we are waiting in this correction for a visible signal where we can see the price turns that based on volume. Okay, so, and with this in our mind, let's check the charts. But first of all, as always, we have to look about the upcoming events for today. We expect at 10 a.m. German time, by the way, the Eurozone Flash PMI. Is that interesting for a swing trader? Not really. If you are a day trader in Euro or maybe in DAX, maybe it could be a little bit affecting about that. So you should have it in your mind. Then 30 minutes later, we expect the Flash UK PMI and Canada come up Canada comes up with retail trade, and 4:30 this afternoon, the weekly petroleum status report. So that's what is on our schedule for today. So if you don't want to miss a signal or something else, you have two options, guys. Based on this morning briefing show, I opened a new live trading room, especially for you guys. So, and this is Twitch. Look, and this is the show, twitch.tv/DowHowTrader. It's free of charge. It's for you. And you can see me the entire day from in the morning until late in the night with the cameras. You can see my chart. You can see the Admirals account. You can see which trades are open, especially the day trading index, for example. And you can ask whatever is in your mind, what we cannot talk in this morning show. But this is the legacy of this show, that we trade there live. Or you use my Twitter profile, daytrader70, and you follow me. And of course, you have to follow Admirals, by the way, so you don't miss any interesting news, because we have a lot of news all day long about this channel, Twitter channel from Admirals, because don't miss it. Click on it and follow those guys as well. So let's have a look at the DAX. I would say we did it again. And it means yesterday, first we followed the rules for the short trade. That was this one. So we made money, we sold half the position. With the rest, we got out. It was at the end, finally, what's a small loss. It is because we sold in the profit zone, and that's an important thing. Then we saw another trend in direction of the point of control, because the point of control is up at actually 15,736 euros by one future contract. And that means we opened a new trade based on our rules. So there was the trend, move, correction, a bit, at the 38. Later we came down to the 38. So we opened the trade here. We sold half of the position, which means we made money already. And now we are still on track. This night we saw a bit correction. We saw the trend continuation, another correction. And now actually the price is going up a bit, and we can see maybe a next trend continuation. So I don't care. The moment we will see the next trend continuation here above the last 0.2, then I can trail my soft stop to the last 0.3, and my hard stop I can trail a little bit higher, or I leave it where it is right now because I work with a soft stop. So that means it's a mental stop, And I guess the final target could be the point of control. It could be really exciting if we reach this point of control. You see where we come from, deep in the green zone. In the expiry day last Friday, we saw the big sharp decrease to the lower side, and from there we are going up again. Why is it? It's a cheap price, guys. And this is what I try to talk to you all the day. Follow the rules and follow the price. And this is a big chance how you can make money in the market. In my opinion, one of the most important things you can realize in trading. Okay, so let's go. And first of all, now before I go through the rest of the charts, I have to introduce you two new trading ideas. First, Euro USD hourly chart. Oh my gosh, I am still in. So, which means the point of control is far away, guys. The point of control, if you miss my market profile, I still have it, of course, but I missed the resources from MetaTrader 5, so my price sticks all the time. So I have it still, and it's my direction, it's my orientation in the market, but actually the point of control is quite far away. It's let me check it, Euro US dollar. So point of control 121.86. 121.86. So there is the point of control. So that's the final target. So you see, rules again. We have a trend. That's the third correction. Yeah, and we had a correction deeper than 38. Now there's a wonderful balance candle. This is a lovely balance candle you see with rising volume. That's the volume indicator on the lower side with rising volume. Therefore, I set the pending order and now I'm in and now I can trail my hard stop. I can delete this. Not my hard, yeah, my hard stop below the last 0.3. Yeah, and I will set my soft stop here. There is my soft stop. If I will see a price below that soft stop, then I trail the hard stop and I try to do a second shot. But at the moment, let's see. And the next one, by the way, you can still go in. Yeah, it's the price is circling around the entry if you want. Then next one, New Zealand dollar, US dollar, same procedure. Point of control is at 0.7176. William, great, really cool. We do it together. That's cool. And yeah, here we have the trend and we see a correction. Yeah, you see deeper than 38. That's cool. So all rules fit, which means we have to do that trade. It's not an option, guys. It's not where you're saying, where you can think, oh, should I do it or shouldn't I? No, you have to do it. If you trade hourly chart, by the way, if you don't trade hourly chart, you don't care about it. But the moment, if you trade hourly chart and you have this currency in your tradable list, then you have to do it. Yeah, that's the law of probability. You remember? The law of probability means calculation of mathematic rules, which means you have to do it. It's not an option. It's not where you can think about. No, you have to do it because you cannot know what happens next. So let's wait. So that's the two new trading ideas in hourly chart. In 4 hourly chart, let's go. Oh, by the way, I want to show you this Bitcoin. Look, because yesterday we had a big spike below 30,000 euros, $30,000. That was really, really amazing. And there's as big fear in the market because yesterday I saw this fear and greed index about the Bitcoin and we are in extreme fear position. That's really, really interesting. So, and by the way, you know, that's my private opinion. The point of control in Bitcoin daily chart is at $9,281. So, and as you can see, we have a trend and maybe we see a trend continuation. But now we are a bit in the red zone, which means, okay, everything can happen there. But it's really interesting. So in 4 hourly chart for the swing traders, US dollar, Swiss franc, we miss a close or we miss a price below 38. It will take time. It will take time. So let it go. So Euro, New Zealand dollar, Aussie, Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. The point is actually we are circling we're circling around the point of control, and this is always hard stuff. So, and in my private opinion, I want to wait if following happens. If we will see a move a bit up to the point of control, and then a kind of stabilization at the point of control that we will see we have more buyers at the point of control, and then we can speculate on a trend continuation. So please keep it on your watch list. Coco ask, oh, I see some questions here, sorry. On YouTube, must the balance candle be a complete candle or can it be seen while it's forming? Barry, it's all, that's a must. That's not an option. The candle should be always be finished, always, not during the forming of that, because you cannot predict how the candle will be finished. So let it go, because I did it in my past and I made this experience. Sometimes they get you in, they pull you in literally in the market. And then at the end of this candle, it wasn't the proper balance candle, then you are in. So be patient, wait for it, and then set your pending order above or below. But wait wait until the candle is finished. So Ismail Ali is asking how many months it takes to be a good trader. It doesn't depend from time. It is a question of time, yes, but it's more a question if you are willing to change yourself, if you are willing to follow the rules of the market, if you are willing to avoid following your own opinion or your ego glasses. Yeah, this is more important. But to change yourself to be a good trader, I guess at least around about 1 year. And I hope we can make this morning briefing show for a long time, so you will see how it works. But in my private opinion, and as I can see it in my teachings and in my clients and students, around about 1 year. Oh, I can see Sandra. Greetings to Australia. Fine. So, and I guess 1 year. Not to learn. To learn trading based on rules. I can see it when in my mentorship and about my teaching to my students, I guess 3 months, 6 months, roundabout. But that's just to realize what happens in the market. But to become a good trader, then after you realize the technical stuff, you have to work with that, the human part, and this will take longer time. So this isn't head and shoulders pattern, right? I guess you're talking about Bitcoin. Sorry, I don't know. I don't work with head and shoulders. The moment, again, Coco, the moment you can show me head and shoulders in the book map, in the order book, yeah, I stop trading immediately and go climbing or hiking or something else, but I stop trading immediately. The moment you can show me the head and shoulders formation in the order book, I stop trading immediately. So follow the rules, yeah? Just my private opinion. So what's the difference between hard and soft stop? The hard stop is known by the broker. The hard stop is in the book map, in the order book, sorry. So it's in the chart. The soft stop is just known by the software or by you. So, and the soft stop means only if I have a close, then I trail. Because you know the market tests point 2 and point 3 very, very often to see if there are more buyers or sellers there. So therefore I work with a soft stop. So need a good mentor. You will find one who trades for a living. Oh, that could be a really exhausting challenge. Yeah, because there are really less people they are trading for a living. Yeah, so I trade for a living, by the way, but I do coachings and webinars and something more. But yeah, I'm sure you will find one. So Plumman says maybe 7 years to be a really good person and trader. I guess if you have a good mentor, it will not take that time. I guess, Plummer, you are on track. So, guys, we have the poll of the day, you know, and my poll of the day is maybe a bit interesting. And Anna, if you want, we can open it right now. And the question of today is, do you have rules for your own trading? It must not mine. If you have, or do you have rules for your own trading? Answer number one, of course, yes, I do. Yeah. Oh, answer number two, why do I need rules for my trading? Or answer number three, no, I follow my private opinion and feelings. So the moment we have the poll open, you can click on it And until then, I will go through the rest of my charts. So again, so we have Australian dollar, Swiss franc, or maybe we can type in the chat 1, 2, or 3. Do you have rules for your own trading? 1 means yes, I do. 2 means why do I need rules? And 3 means no, I follow my opinion and feelings. So push the button right now. I guess Anna's a bit busy in the back. No, here we go. There is it. Thanks, Anna. So now you can click the button. Thanks a lot. And we will see it in YouTube as well. Anthony, greetings to Sussex. Nice to meet you here. So Australian dollar, Swiss franc, little bit rising prices. To be honest, nothing to do. Canadian dollar, Swiss franc. Oh, we had a close above soft stop, which means we have to trail the hard stop. So, okay, I guess this is a second loss. We have to accept it. But as long as the trend is still valid, we have to do it again. So even we got out, then do it again. Euro Australian dollar, we are still on track. We reached our first target, but actually there is no trend continuation. No trend continuation. Yeah, but it's a good idea to set the soft stop into the profit. Euro Canadian dollar, we have to trail the hard stop as well, because there is it. We had a close below the soft stop. And now you see why it's a good thing to take partial profits. Because with that, so here we go. We made around 40 euros. And with the rest, we will lose around 16 euros. So we made profit with that. Do you realize the benefit of taking partial profits? Do you really realize it? Even we get the price or the trend will not continuing, we make money with this smart trading. So Euro Swiss franc, it's going up again, but we have time, guys. The point of control is far away, is still down 10766. So let it go. We sold half the position. The trade, the soft stop and the hard stop is already in profit. So there is nothing to do. Euro New Zealand dollar, also nothing to do. New Zealand Swiss franc, let it go. US dollar, Canadian dollar, it's a normal behavior of the prices. The price came back after this news move to the upper side. But now you have the chance with the next balance candle right now, or with the next changing of the color, you can open a position again if you missed the first entry. British pound, Canadian dollar, nothing to do. So here we go. New Zealand, British pound, New Zealand dollar. We closed the trade because we followed our plan. We had a close below the soft stop. We trailed the hard stop, and now we were out. So we made money, 22, and this is 30 years at around 50 euros with this lovely trade. Awesome, really, really cool. So now the price is still going up. We can delete it from our list. This is wonderful. So Euro British pound, look at this one. We opened and we are still on track, and maybe very soon we can reach our first target. Let's see. And as I said, yeah, that's all. And let's have a look at the DAX. Okay, guys. So we have a clear answer. Do you have rules for your own trading? 85% says, yes, I do. So the next question is, do you follow your rules? That's the most important question. Do you follow your own rules? So, and 15% says, no, I follow my opinion and feelings. Cool. That's really cool. So the question is, why do you need rules? So if you follow your opinion and feelings, it's fine. It works for me. It's okay. But you shouldn't think about it. It's a logical approach. If you follow your feelings and opinions, you have to think about, can you force the market to follow your opinion and feelings too? The question is, can you affect the market? Can you influence the price on the right side? Yeah. If not, then you should think about it. Is this a profitable approach? Is this a profitable approach to follow your opinion and feelings? You can check it. If you're profitable with that on your account, do it. Never change a winning system. But if you don't make money with that, then you should think about different things. And in my opinion, to trade based on your own opinions and feeling will never lead to a long-lasting success, long-term success. Maybe in a short, yes, in a short time window, yes, it is possible, but not on a long run. So if you are profitable with your feelings and opinions, not in a short run. Don't tell me, yes, I'm profitable, and I ask you how long. You said 1 month. I said, okay, that's stupid. Yeah, or 3 months. Show me your account with that after 1 year or 2 years. If you're then profitable, then you are the chosen one. I swear to God, then you are the Harry Potter of trading. I have a award anywhere. Yeah, I have a award. There is my ward, you see. I will show you tomorrow. That's cool. So, my question for you today is to this morning show, should a trader meditate? And don't leave the session right now. This is really important. Even you roll with your eyes right now. But what means meditation? When my teacher a couple of years ago taught me, Markus, you have, as a good trader, you have to meditate. And I said, what? What do you want from me? Yeah, you should start with meditation. And he said, my honest teacher, yeah, I know, you know, I respect you, but I don't want to lose my mind with meditation. I don't want to go to nirvana. And he said, do you know what means nirvana? Yeah, I said, anywhere between life and death or something else. Then he taught me a very interesting part. And then he said, come on, let's go into this word, nirvana, about the Latin language. And then he showed me what means nirvana. And nirvana means enlightenment. Enlightenment, not being anywhere. No, nirvana means a state of mind of enlightenment. And then he said to me, do you know what is enlightenment? And then it came up in my mind. And then I realized, okay, enlightenment means logical thinking. This is the real meaning of nirvana, enlightenment. To realize what's going on in trading, to realize what's going on in this world, in my life. By the way, this tenet of cause and action, yeah, this karmic principle of cause and action. You can have your own opinion about that, but think it really through. So the next step, how can you get enlightened? How can you get this kind of enlightenment? So during the day, it's really hard. So you talk the whole day with yourself. The moment you open your eyes until the moment you close your eyes, you talk to yourself every day as a man, around 65,000 words a day. If you are a woman, you talk double, yeah? But for you, it's no problem because you don't have boxes in your mind. This is a different topic. Very soon, I will talk about the difference between women and men. I will talk to you. This is really interesting. So, but first of all, the moment you realize that you talk to yourself the whole entire day, 65,000 words a day, that every thought you're thinking, it's a communication between your subconscious and with your awareness and your subconsciousness. This is a consistently talk. Just do it. Yeah. Close your eyes and listen. Any thought. It's a communication with yourself. And this is going on the whole day. So how you should think about important things. Because you think yourself, you talk to yourself, and then a lot of things come from outside. A lot of effects, influences, your wife, your kids, your colleagues, whatever, your news, and so on, and so on, and so on. It's overwhelming. And then you want to trade on the right side of the chart where you're completely out of your comfort zone, where you cannot influence something. So what means meditation? Meditation, it's a kind of spirituality. So where does the word spirituality comes from? Spirit. What does it mean, spirit? Go into Latin words. Again, spirit means your mind. Spirituality doesn't mean anything stupid things or dancing your name or something stupid things. No, spirituality is based on the word spirit, which means controlling your mind. Bring it down. Stop talking to yourself. Meditation doesn't mean to fly in any rare stage of mind. No, that's stupid. Real meditation means focusing on a special part. That means meditation. And if you want to become a calm trader, which is able to follow the rules, to stick to the rules all day long, you need a clear and calm mind. And for that, it could be a really interesting idea to meditate every day a couple of minutes. Don't challenge this one that you sit down with crossed legs and your knees are hurting. That's stupid. Sit on a desk or on your chair and close your eyes just for 1 minute or 2 minutes and try to be focused on one point, which is troubling you, what you have in your mind. Bring your mind down. Talk to yourself. I do it and talk to yourself. Stop thinking. Your thoughts are kind of apes. They are jumping from tree to tree, from tree to tree. So bring that apes to one tree. Bring it down with your closed eyes. Conscious thinking. Meditation doesn't mean wandering everywhere. No, meditation means focusing again. So to share my knowledge, when I come to my office every morning, I sit down and prepare some drinking and then I have my meditation place. Then I sit down and I used to meditate 20 minutes. But when I started years ago, I started with 2 minutes because my knees hurt and so my back hurts. And this is a kind of training. Yeah. So start with 1 minute or 2 minutes and be focused on one thing. Maybe if you are interested, we can challenge. This is my Twitch trading room during a day. If you're interested on that, I can train you that because this is really, really important. Can I lead you to a meditation like my mentor did it with me and do it with me sometimes? And if I'm willing and if I have time, I can extend my meditation to 65 minutes. I do it sometimes. And this is it's really exhausting, but it's so kind of freedom. It's kind of relieving. That's really cool. And you will figure it out. If you sit down at a calm place, not around your family, go out or in a special place where it's really calm, where you can pull off all noises around, and then try to focus on a special problem of a special thing you want to focusing. Do it for just 1 or 2 minutes. You will see after a special time, you can extend it to 5 minutes and then to 7 minutes. And maybe you can do this every week. You add 1 minute more. Start not tomorrow, start today. Today. Sit down maybe for 5 minutes. And next week, you do 6 minutes. There is a special app on my phone. I have it, and it's called Insight Timer. Insight Timer. Yeah, there is it. Insight Timer. Yeah, you can set 5 minutes or something else, and there's a ping. So you can follow that. And that's really interesting. And in my opinion, if you want to become a good trader on a long run and a profitable trader, you have to train to be focused. And meditation can help you because it strengthens you and it trains your mind. Your mind is a muscle. Your mind is a muscle like, this one, this one, maybe both one. So your mind is a muscle and you can train it. And if you want to become a successful trader, you have to train your mind muscle as well. And this is happened by meditation, nothing else, not knowledge, not learning a lot of things. No, focusing. That is the way you can train your mind. Try it, do it, or you do it with Master Yoda. He says, do it or don't do it, but stop trying. That's all what I have to say. I hope you can do it and you can share your experience with me the next time and we can talk to that. And I'm really happy with that I can share my knowledge with you. Guys, I wish you a wonderful day. Thanks for listening today. And thanks for your attention. I hope we'll see each other tomorrow again, 8:30, right before the markets open. Or we'll see each other in the Twitch room. And thanks for being here. And as always, have courage and be kind. And may the force